Hello. In this video, we will learn about formatting charts in Excel.
Now we'll look at modifying the charts the way we require by formatting the charts. So first we'll select the chart like this. And then let's go for Arial font. And maybe font size 9 would look better. So now we'll go inside the chart area, do a right click and go to Format Chart area. And click on Fill. We will remove the fill by clicking No Fill. And we'll click on Border and remove the border by clicking on No Line. Now we will click on the grid lines like this, so they are selected and highlighted like this. Then I do a right click and go to Format Grid Lines. Then for the line, I will select Solid Line, and for the color, I will select Gray, and transparency, I will make it about 50%. Now, if you want to resize your chart, you can just drag from the corner like this after selecting and resize the way you want it. Now, let's look at changing the colors on the bars. So you can select one of the bars, it will select all of them. Then you can do a right click. And for the fill, we'll change the color to a dark blue like this. And we'll select the other columns. Do a right click. And I will change it to a light blue like this. I'll make it a little more lighter. Now it's more clear. Now we can make the columns a bit more larger. So for that, again, I can select one of these columns, then do a right click, go to Format Data Series, and the gap width over here, I will reduce it to about 50%. So it looks a bit better now. Now let's look at adding data labels. So to do that, we can select one of the columns like this and do a right click and go to Add Data Labels and click on Add Data Labels. So once you got the data labels, now they are outside of the columns. So I can click on the data labels like this and go to Format Data Labels. And here we have label position. So I can have it at the moment it's outside end. I'll make it inside end. So now it's in the inside at the end like this. So I will again select the other columns, do the same thing, add data labels, and then select them and format data labels and inside end. So they are also inside now. So after that, to make it clear, I will select again the data labels and I will change the font color to white and make it bold. And I'll do the same for the other columns. I'll make it white and then bold. Now I will also adjust the axis. So I select the axis like this and then do a right click, format axis. And let's say the maximum value, I will make it to 25. And I will leave minimum value 0. Major is 25. And leave it like that. I'll also make the USD million bold. So I will also make these labels bold. So this is basically how you can format the different components of the chart. And now it looks much more professional than the original chart.
Thanks for watching.